You guys, who cat here? Wait, I wasn't.
Don't you have a front camera?
No, I don't. I don't. And then my
I have
bro.
an iPhone 7. I mean, iPhone 6S Plus.
So my bro, Gun Kid Crazy, right there, has over 20 subscribers. Go subscribe to him today. Okay. Eduardo and Eli. They'll be coming out in a little bit. So I just wanted to show off
Why that thing's
my bro.
moving?
Wait, where is it?
Right there.
Where is it?
Somebody, look.
Guys, there's something right here. Guys, I need to find it. It's moving. Oh my gosh, guys, there's something right there.
I told you. What is it? Where'd it go?
Yeah, it's moving.
What is it?
Oh, guys, you see that thing right there? Oh,
Dude, these things bite. Do things bite?
see, you guys see that little speck
shell.
right there?
It's a shell.
It's a shell, guys. That
No, it's not really a shell. It's almost a shell.
that is creepy. Oh my gosh.
But now it's not going to turn into a shell because I killed it. Okay, let's go to the park.
Okay, guys. Hopefully they'll meet us at the park. We'll see you guys there. I'm gonna snap my fingers, and when I snap my fingers, we'll be at the park. Snap. Okay, guys, we're here. We're at the park. Magical. Oh my gosh, it's magic. Okay, guys, we're at the park. Guys, we're doing another nature adventure and treasure video.
Yeah, with my
And I don't know what we're gonna do. What do you guys want to do?
new bike. New buns. That you new bike?
What do you guys want to do? I can barely see you guys. You guys might see this when this is uploaded, but right now, guys, I can't really see them because it's like all
I
bright.
like your dog.
Okay, so guys, what do you guys want to do? We
swing.
need something for the video.
Parkour.
Parkour. What's parkour?
You know what parkour is?
I kind of do. I don't know. I
Okay,
don't.
come on, record me, okay?
Oh no! Let's play the floor is lava.
Okay, yeah.
But
Yeah,
that
I'll say the floor is lava.
okay, guys.
So you never said floor is lava.
Alright, guys. So it's kind of sunny out, but guys,
Okay.
we're playing floor is lava right now.
Okay, so floor is lava. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you guys are good. Come on.
So
Okay, now, oh gosh, the battery's low. Whatever. Here,
Yeah.
we gotta make this quick.
do you want me to record or?
It's not, I got it. Okay, now hop on one foot, to the middle of that place. Floors level 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Or the bunny hop.
Okay, we're gonna do like one more, guys. Sorry, because the battery is low. Like, it's at like, I don't know. Let me try.
No, it's okay. It's okay if it dies.
Okay.
I'll film you next after this. Ready?
Alright, let's see. You can make like a part 2 or something.
Yeah, maybe.
If it dies.
Wait, they're coming right now.
Okay, guys.
Guys, we'll be right back. I'm gonna pause this. Okay, guys, they're here. Okay. Come on, guys, let's go. Guys, Super Naruto is here. Guys, Super Naruto is here.
Super Shin, okay? Yeah, cause
He changed his name.
yeah.
Super Shin? Or
Godly Broly. Shinsu, yeah.
then Godly Broly there. His real name's Eli, but
Really?
yeah.
You're gonna expose your names, dumbass?
No.
Is that a real gun? No. So are you like just vlogging right now?
Yeah, I'm just vlogging. We're doing I do like a series on my channel. It's called Nature Adventure. Or like I discover nature and we do some stuff. We're already 4 minutes into the video.
Hey, can we go to the park?
Yeah.
We got here late.
You guys want to go?
I want to the park.
Okay. We'll meet you guys there. Okay, so right now it's just me and Naruto, or used to be Naruto.
Super Shin.
Super Shinsi, or
Super Shinsu.
Sue. I don't know.
You ever heard of that damn name called Super Shinsu or Shizu? Shisu.
No. Okay, well, I'll put your name in the description. So his name will be in the description below.
I'm actually gonna do a video right now, update about my name and all that shit.
Wait, you're gonna do that right now? Okay, so we're both gonna be recording at the same time, I guess. So guys, go watch his video, because by the time I upload this video, his video will probably already be up, right? So watch his new video.
Hey, what's up, guys? Cool cat.
Cool cat here.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, you probably didn't notice anything.
Guys, I had to film this. The freaking airplane. Oh my god.
I know what Logan feels like now.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. I feel so bad for you, buddy. Stupid freaking. There's airplanes all over Milwaukee too. Don't worry. Don't feel bad.
Okay. As you might have noticed, I changed my name. Super Naruto was catchy, okay? It was, but I'm gonna send the bleachers. You coming?
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm like standing here.
I wasn't like the video. Like I saw other
JP there.
YouTubers doing the same name, Super Naruto, and I didn't want that. Okay? I changed my name. It's brand new. No one took it. There's only Shinsu.
Why are there 5 soda cans over here?
Hey, you know what?
What the heck?
One.
No, there's 6.
I took it out. What the hell, bro? I took it out.
I'm in trouble, guys.
I'm in trouble.
We're all in trouble.
Well, I'm fucking in trouble.
Guys, I'm.
Oh, I know. It's attachable. Oh.
Okay. We're both recording right now. We're both recording right now.
Okay, I'll record too then.
Okay, guys, we're all recording on your YouTube channel, so check out Godly Broly. His YouTube channel name will be in the description below. Go check it out. Go subscribe.
Godly Brother here, and we are.
You should record because we're all recording right now.
What's it again? The gun kid. The gun kid crazy. The gun kid crazy.
Cool cat. My brother JP. JP here.
It was getting too complicated with Super Naruto.
So
So I changed my name to Super Shinsu, and no one took it. So
Something new.
that's the only name.
luckily, my name didn't have anyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got it. Anyways, holy shit, bro. This keeps fucking hard as fuck.
I know.
Like my crossing.
So guys.
Push. Okay. Anyways, that's all for now, cause
Yeah.
you know that's just
Hey Eli, you can't.
Hey, I'm gonna end this video. Okay. Wait. Bye. I did it. Was it still recording? I'm about to end my video right here, okay? Guys, that was it. It was just conversation and a little bit of Floor's Lava. So like, subscribe, favorite, follow everything on Gun Kid Cool or whatever. Gun Kid Crazy.
Gun kid crazy and super cheesy.
Follow everything on Godly Broly. And what's your YouTube channel name, Eduardo?
Random kid right there. Say hi to the camera, random.
No, his name's Jade and he's my brother. Okay.
He's cool cat's brother.
What's your new channel again?
Super Shinsu.
Follow everything on Super Sinshu.
Shinsu.
Sinshu or whatever.
Why do you want to be?
And that's it.